Let's see how to use the iPad as a second monitor. In the first step, open Settings. Later, go to General. Now choose AirPlay and Handoff. In the next step, open Settings. After that, tap on Display and Brightness. Now select Arrangement. In the next step, access Control Center. Later, select Screen Mirroring. Now, pick your Mac from the available devices. In the next step, click on Apple menu on your Mac. Later, open System Preferences. Now, go to Displays. In the next step, click on Use As. Now, select Extended Display. Then modify the arrangement as required. You are good to go.